Hi, welcome to the Crafty Yarn Barn. I have a quick tutorial today for you. This is going to show you how to tie off the end of your yarn on your project to a new ball or skein of yarn that you have. Not quite done with this project, just started actually, and I need to tie off so I can keep going. So I want to give you a quick, easy way in order to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the string from my tail of yarn from here's my project that I started, and this is the yarn. Just going to lay it out there. And this is the string from the new ball of yarn. Just lay it right beside each other. I take the string from my new ball of yarn, I put it underneath, and I'm just going to take that string, wrap it around, and push that tail through the hole. Okay? And I'm just going to pull it tight. Okay, so this is the string to the new ball of yarn. This is the string to my project. Now I'm going to take the end tail of the string or the project. I'm going to lay it underneath the string from the new ball of yarn. I'm going to take it and just wrap it around and stick that tail through the hole. And I'm just going to pull it tight. Now, this is the string from my project. This is the string from the new ball of yarn. I'm just going to take it and just pull it. Now, see, it's very strong. It's a very strong, it's not a knot. All I did was tie it around the string one time and put it through the hole. Now, these little tails that are sticking out, you can do several things. You can either just crochet it into your project as you're going along. You can take your scissors and cut them off fairly close to the knot that you just made. Or if your tails are longer, sometimes I make my tails longer when I tie them together, I'll just sew them into the project when I'm done. That's completely up to you, whatever your preference is, but that's a quick, easy way to tie off when you get to the end of the yarn on your project and you want to tie on a new skein of yarn and to keep going. I hope this little tutorial helps you. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them down below, and be looking for more tutorials just like this coming your way soon. Happy crocheting and God bless. Have a good day.